I am sure you have been in a situation when you launch a live session in your VirtualBox and you get this small resolution screen. Usually you can fix it after the installation by installing VirtualBox Guest Edition. But there is also a way to enable a full resolution screen for your live session. Let me show you how. You need to go to the settings of your VirtualBox, Display, and here you need to increase the memory and also change the graphic controller to VBox SVGA. OK, and try to launch the live session again. I will use Debian live session in this case. As you can see, Debian is now full screen, and it works pretty fine. I hope this tip was useful. Please subscribe for more tips that will improve your Linux experience. Thank you for watching.